Zach, and I'm going to be talking about how to use Git branching and just kind of create what's called a feature branch today in Git. So if you notice right now on GitHub, we only have one branch, and that branch is just going to be the master. So the master branch is just defaulted in every project. It's automatically created, and that's where like your main code trajectory is going to lie, right? That's how the project kind of progresses, is it progresses along master. But let's say we want to have multiple people working on a project at once, right? We're probably going to want to have different branches for each person working on a different feature. So let's say we're creating some cool new feature. Look at how cool this new little text file is going to be. And we're going to want to save that into our new project, right? We're going to want to save some new feature. So before we do that, let's create a new branch. So I'm just going to go through the steps one more time. So you're just going to navigate to your code, and let's say we're here. Right now we're on master branch. If we see that, on branch master. So let's create a new branch using the git branch command. Let's call this new feature. Okay, and to change to that branch, right now we're still not on the branch, we're still on master. We're going to do git checkout to new feature. Now if we check, we are on branch new feature. Okay, so let's add our file now to our project. So we're adding it into practice. We're going to save it as new feature.text. Let's save it. Okay, so now we have it saved. And let's check git status. Oops. We have a new untracked file, so let's add that. Git add new feature.text. We'll do it the long way. And then git commit. Remember from last time, we're pushing it from staging to be sent. So added new feature. And let's git push origin. Remember before we did git push origin master? So this time we're just going to push to the name of the branch. So let's just say git push origin new feature. And that should work regardless of what branch you're currently working on, if you push to that specific branch. So now let's see what's changed on GitHub. Wait for load. You'll see now we have two branches. Okay. And let's look at new feature. So the difference is the new feature is going to have this new feature.text, and if we look back at our master branch, so we go back to the original, we're not going to have that new feature.text. So let's say, okay, we finished our new feature, it's working properly, we've tested it. Let's say we want to add that new feature into our project. So we're going to create what's called a pull request. Pull request essentially just means you want the master branch to pull your code in and incorporate it as part of the project. So right now it's able to merge. I'll get into what a merge conflict is a little bit more in the next video. Essentially what it's able to merge means that you've only changed a file that wasn't changed in the master branch. So there are no conflicts about what was changed, which if you're doing feature branches correctly, there really shouldn't be any files that are changed. So let's leave a comment. Please accept. It's a little joke. Okay, so we create our pull request. And after we create our pull request, since it's automatically able to merge, we can just directly merge into master. Okay, merging. And pull request successfully merged and closed. Great. And so now when we go back, our branch should be gone, I want to say. If it's not gone, we'll just delete it really quickly. Oh, the branch is still there. That's right, because we want to track the branch. So what I like to do is after I finish, just delete the branch. If you don't do that, you're going to get a lot of branches that stack up over time. And then here we go. We have our new feature.text in our main branch, which is our project, essentially. So that's great. So that's kind of just an intro into how to use feature branches. How come this didn't delete? Feature branches are really good for splitting up the code and working. Oh, I don't know, just hadn't updated. They're really good for working with multiple people at the same time. And it's good for kind of just having a much more, I don't know, linearized software development path. So you're not just doing everything to master and you just have to revert master all the way back. You can have multiple people working on different features and just incorporate those into the project as you progress. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.